Hey, CJ Paterniti, president of D&S Automotive and Defender Auto Glass. D&S Automotive has been around since 1977, started by my father, Carmen. For the last 23 years, I guided the business into new ownership, most recently the last 2 years. We expanded to Elyria, then to Kirtland, and most recently to North Ridgeville. We were founded and still are in Mentor with 2 locations, and then also with our Chardon location. Being in a family business has its pros and cons. 24/7, 365. You're talking business at the dinner table, when you're out at family events, when you have nothing else to talk about, somehow it still comes back to talking about family business. And I pride myself on the culture we have here, and now that's why we call ourselves the D&S family. When I started in this family business, I thought I was going to have a nice cushy job in an office. Unfortunately, my dad handed me a broom and a toilet brush, and that's where I started. And that's what makes me a good leader, is because I understand every facet within the organization to hold a high customer expectation. Sure, there's some good days and there's some bad, but at the end of the day, I get to continue to grow what my father started in 1977. Being a second-generation business owner is fun, also has its challenges. I've always been told you have to fill those footsteps that my father has put in place. Not only do I follow those footsteps of my father, I'm creating my own path into what my success looks like for the organization that I lead. Why choose us? We care. We're a family, and we support the communities that serve us. That's what separates us from others in the industry. Our success is because of relationships, and relationships are family, and that's who we are, and that's what our culture is.